Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Amulya. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in the world of technology. What is a computer? Computers are everywhere around us. We use them for studying, working, communicating, shopping, entertainment, and much more. Even the smartphones in our hand is a type of computer. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of computers, how they work, their components, applications, and why they are so important in our daily lives. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the topics we will cover in this video. First, we will understand what a computer is. Then we will learn about the IPO cycle, which explains how a computer works. After that, we will discuss the components of a computer and understand the role of each component. Next, we will explore the various applications of computers in different fields. We will also learn about the different types of computers available today. Then we will discuss the characteristics of a computer and finally understand why computers are important in our daily lives. Let's begin with the basic definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data as input, processes the data according to the instructions, stores it for further use, and provides meaningful information as output. In simple words, a computer takes information from us, works on it, and gives us the desired result. For example, when you type numbers in a calculator and press the equals button, the calculator processes the input and displays the answer. This is the basic working principle of a computer. Computer can perform tasks very quickly and accurately. They can store large number of information and help us solve problems efficiently. Now that we know what a computer is, let's understand how it works. The working of a computer can be explained using the IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process, and output. Let's understand each stage. Input is the first stage. Here, data is entered into the computer using input devices such as a keyboard, mouse, scanner, or microphone. The second stage is processing. During this stage, the CPU processes the input data and performs the required calculations or operations. The third stage is output. After processing, the data displays the result through output devices such as monitor, printer, or speaker. For example, when you type a mathematical problem in a computer, the keyboard acts as the input device, the CPU processes the calculation, and the monitor displays the answer as output. Next, components of a computer. A computer is made up of several important components that work together. The first component is the input unit. It accepts data and instructions from the user. Examples: keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. The second component is the CPU or central processing unit. It is known as the brain of the computer because it processes data and controls all computer operations. The third component is the memory unit. It stores data, programs, and information. Example: RAM, ROM, HDD, SDDs. The fourth component is the output unit. It presents the processed information to the user. Examples: monitors, printers, speakers, etc. All these components work together to make a computer function efficiently. Now, applications of computers. Computers are used in almost every field today. In education, students use computers for online learning, research, and completing assignments. In communication, computers helps us send emails, messages, and participate in video calls. Businesses use computers to maintain records, manage employees, and analyze data. Banks use computers for online banking, account management, and secure transactions. Hospitals and healthcare centers use computers to maintain patient records and assist doctors in diagnosis and treatment. Computers are also widely used for entertainment, including games, watching movies, listening to music, and creating content. Now let's discuss about the types of computers. Computers come in different types. Desktop computers are commonly used in homes, schools, and offices. Laptop computers are portable and can be carried anywhere. Tablets are touchscreen devices used for learning and entertainment. Smart devices like smartphones help us communicate and access information. Supercomputers are the most powerful computers and are used for scientific research and complex calculations. Next, characteristics of a computer. Computers have several important characteristics. They are fast and can perform millions of calculations in seconds. They are accurate when given correct instructions. They can store large amount of data. Computers work automatically once instructions are provided. They are reliable and can perform repetitive tasks without getting tired. These characteristics make computers highly useful in today's world. Computers make our work easier and save time. They improve productivity, help us learn new things, and connect us with people around the world. To conclude, we learned what a computer is, how it works through the IPO cycle, its main components, applications, types, characteristics, and importance. I hope this video helped you to understand the basics of computers. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Code with Amulya for more educational and coding content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.